Welcome to Communicator, the Language Cert International ESOL B2 level qualification. Let's look at listening, the first component of the written exam. The listening component of the Language Cert International ESOL written exam at B2 level consists of 4 parts. All texts are heard twice. There are 26 items to answer. There are 2 different item types: multiple choice questions for parts 1, 2, and 4. Each multiple choice question provides 3 options, A, B, and C, and filling in gaps for part 3, with gaps to be filled in with no more than 5 words each time. Part 1 consists of 7 short and related unfinished conversations between 2 speakers, each followed by 1 multiple-choice question. Candidates are asked to understand context, meaning, and function in short conversations on concrete and abstract topics, and are asked to choose the appropriate completion or continuation of the conversation. In Part 2, there are 3 longer and related conversations, and candidates need to identify a specific aspect of each conversation. They answer 2 multiple-choice questions on each. Part 3 asks candidates to extract key information from a monologue to complete a notepad with 7 gaps. Each gap needs to be completed with up to 5 words. Finally, during Part 4, candidates are asked to follow a conversation on the same topic between 2 speakers and answer 6 multiple-choice questions on it. At B2, the listening component lasts approximately 30 minutes, and remember, all answers must be written on a separate answer sheet. This is a sample of Part 1 where candidates are asked to hear 7 short and finished conversations twice and choose the most appropriate completion or continuation. They may be asked to identify context, meaning, or function. This example is characteristic of Part 2, where candidates listen to 3 conversations and may be asked to identify a specific aspect of a conversation. Candidates will be asked to answer 2 multiple-choice questions per conversation. This sample task is taken from Part 3, where candidates need to extract information from a monologue. Candidates may be asked to listen to a radio broadcast, talk, narrative, presentation, and identify specific information. The 7 responses to be provided should be no longer than 5 words each time. This last example is taken from Part 4, where candidates follow discussion between 2 speakers and need to identify gist, examples, fact, opinion, contrast, purpose, key ideas, or attitude. They need to respond to 6 multiple-choice questions, each with 3 options. Here you can see only the first 3 questions. For all tasks of the listening component, candidates are awarded 1 mark per correct response and can collect up to 26 marks. Here is a sample of the candidate's questions booklet on the left, a listening task in the middle, and the candidate's answer sheet on the right. For more information on this component of the exam and for support materials, simply follow this link.